Keittany was last night evicted from a Runda house she shared with her estranged husband, who is also the Agriculture Cabinet Secretary, Keittany. Now, the MP was kicked out of that house following an application by the auctioneers. And as Willie Lusige reports, the eviction happened in spite of a stay order from that same court on Wednesday, stopping the planned eviction until further directions by the Milimani Commercial Court is given on the 22nd of this month.
This is me and Keittany. I was giving him a cake. It was on my birthday.
The divorce case between Aldai Member of Parliament Keittany and Agriculture Cabinet Secretary Keittany has for a while attracted the attention of Kenyans. The legal battle was on who was to take over the ownership of their home, house number 16, Maria Ridge County Villas, situated in Runda Estate, Nairobi.
This is our document filed in matter number 1044.
On January 23rd, the High Court allowed Agriculture Cabinet Secretary Keittany to evict Aldai Member of Parliament Keittany from their palatial home in Runda, Nairobi. Justice Maureen Odero had dismissed an appeal by Ms. Keittany to be allowed to continue living in the Runda house. The legislator was seeking orders to quash a decision by Chief Magistrate Heston Nyaga, who allowed Mr. Linturi to kick her out of the house since there was no marriage between the two.
We entered into our marriage. There was no such document.
But on February 13, the court allowed an application by auctioneers to evict Aldai lawmaker Keittany from their Runda house, which she had previously shared with her estranged husband, Keittany. Chief Magistrate Wendy Michemi on Monday ordered officer in charge of Runda Police Station to facilitate the eviction. Michemi gave the orders in response to an application filed in court by the auctioneers and CS Linturi, who sought to proceed with the eviction process. The ruling was the climax of a litany of suits pitting the two against each other in a divorce case that culminated in finding that there was no marriage, civil or otherwise, when the two allegedly lived together. Reports say that the eviction from the house was effected on Wednesday night. Keittany raising queries on why she was evicted even after securing stay orders from Milimani law courts barring her eviction until the case is mentioned and further direction issued by the Milimani Commercial Court on 22nd of February. The court had ordered Linturi and auctioneers served with the stay orders on Wednesday, but Linturi's legal team still insists they have not been served with the orders. Willie Lusige, KTN News, Nairobi.
He denied.
And while Keittany was being evicted, Aisha Jumwa was getting robbed. Once again, questions